What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 15 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am really happy with how well the collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Central America and is called Honduran Rosewood. Although the country Honduras finds its way into the name of this wood, it is more likely that this piece came from Belize, Guatemala, or Mexico, with Belize being the most likely of the three. While most Honduran rosewood does not come from the country of Honduras, the wood gets its name because Belize used to be known as British Honduras up until 1964. The wood is beautiful and has excellent acoustic tones, making it a coveted wood for builders of instruments, mainly being used in guitars and xylophones. Just like my other videos, I will be ranking this wood off of 3 categories and giving it an R score. The R score is the rank I give it for where it falls as my favorite within my collection, and the 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, Honduras rosewood is quite expensive. The trees used to be plentiful but are now growing more scarce and have been protected under Belize law since 2012. A board foot of Honduran rosewood will be between $40 and $55. Remember, a board foot is equal to a section of wood that is 1 foot wide by 1 foot long by 1 inch thick. That is not a lot of wood. To give you some reference, alder, the wood I use in my classroom to make pens, is about $3 per board foot. On the higher end of woodworking and furniture making, I love using American black walnut. Walnut is the most expensive hardwood that I personally have used to make furniture, and it is between $10 and $15 per board foot where I am here in the western United States. While back east, it can be sold for between $5 and $10 per board foot. So once again, my most expensive furniture comes from a wood that is $15 per board foot, and Honduras rosewood is about $40 or $50. So for price, I give Honduran rosewood a 2.5 out of 10. Moving on to workability, rosewood is quite dense and can be moderately difficult to work with. This particular piece was not too difficult for me. I mean, I am the wood bender, but I would be cautious if I were to use this wood again. For workability, I give Honduran rosewood a 5 out of 10. Wrapping it up with aesthetics, Honduras rosewood is really pretty. I love the color, the grain, and just how this pen shines after applying the finish and wax. Of all the pens that are a brownish kind of color, this one might just be my favorite. For aesthetics, I give Honduran rosewood an 8.25 out of 10. And now for the R score. This is the 15th pen in my collection, and I will be giving Honduran rosewood the number 6 spot in the collection, ahead of Kingwood and behind Zebrawood. With that, this episode is complete. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.